Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Thank you so much to everybody who's let me know that my video on making the box, most of it was out of frame. I apologize for that. So this is project number 3. I'm just going to do a quick run through of how to make the box. From the instructions, you can see there's the pattern side and then there's the plain side. So we need to pay attention to how we are building, where we're putting our tape based on that. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to fold on all our score lines just to get them softened up a little bit. And I know that these ones are going to have to tip back. So we're just going to do that. And then I'm just going to kind of start the fold a little bit on kind of the carton ends. And I'm just going to fold this flap over like this. And then all of these flaps need to just be folded over. Just makes it easier to work with. And we need to put tear and tape down this side here. You can see that in the instructions right here. So just grab a piece of that and pop that on there like that. And I'm a little bit over at the top there, so we're just going to tear that off. Now, it tells me to put tear and tape on this flap right here. So I'm going to put a piece like that. And then it says to turn it over. And now we need to put a piece of tear and tape on this end here. So that's what we're going to do. Whoops. Like that. Now we're going to just peel this piece off here like this. And I'm just going to fold this in half and meet these two edges up like that. And that gives us our box. And then we just kind of push those edges in like that. But I do need now to fold the bottom over. So I need to fold this one in first and peel the tear and tape off like that. And just hold it there like that. And then peel this one off. Except that doesn't want to come off. There we go, like that. And then fold it up like that. So you can put your just hand in and just push everything down. But then that is how we make the box. So this is the good side, or the printed side. We put tear and tape here and here. And then we turn it over to the white side and put tear and tape there. And then we build the box. So thank you so much for watching. And I'm so sorry that the first video did not come through very clearly.